Hey everyone, Dan Gogler here. Just introducing myself for the class. Um, I am currently working at a school district in Ohio, Norton, Ohio specifically. Been there for 13 years, teaching eighth grade history, and then this year I added science too. So I actually do three history courses and then three science courses with the same group of kids. It's just kind of a back-to-back thing. So kind of a new challenge for me, kind of neat along the way. Um, this is obviously the last class for me in instructional technology. Pretty excited about that. Hopefully you guys are too. I chose instructional technology because I like to incorporate new tech into my classroom all the time. I like to utilize it. I think it really is a big draw for middle school kids that I work with. They like technology if you use it correctly. So I wanted to take this course to learn how to integrate new technology into it, learn some new things from my peers and from the teachers that I didn't necessarily know. Always been a big tech guru. Always liked tech. I just wanted to know more and be a little bit more efficient with it. Um, Down the road, in terms of my classroom, I think my biggest challenge is probably a lot of us is necessarily making sure that we are hitting the kids with what we need, socio emotional, mental, along with the academic. I think that's a big challenge nowadays. Kids have to deal with so much on a regular basis. We're dealing with that also, and I have a feeling we're going to have to continue that in the future. It's not going away anytime soon. So I would say that's our biggest challenge, or at least my biggest challenge in our district, is meeting kids, reaching kids, and helping them not just academically, but as a whole person, a whole student. Um, in the future, I see myself continuing to teach eighth grade, hopefully. You know, barring the district still wanting me, and God willing. And I would see myself, raising my three kids that I got, little kids, 7, 5, and 2, and just trying to do all that the best I can. So hopefully, it's a great course. I'm looking forward to working with you guys, and looking forward to graduating in December. Thanks, guys.